Step 1, we need to turn on the power line and air source. And step 2, turn on all these switches. Turn on the switch power on. Click the temperature control interface and turn on the heating full on. Waiting for the temperature to raise to 180 degrees. Step 5, install the bulb film. First, pull the upper film in over the tangent line, and the lower film also over the tangent line. After installation the bulb film, and then click the manual interface tool, and then click the horizontal sealing once. And then and then click the auto interface. Click the initialization button for more than 1 second. And then the initialization completed appear, and then click the start button. 8. Put on the product on the conveyor belt.
放2个厚的吧。